Hi, this is April. I am going to make you an oval. I'm going to use a single value border radius by doing that. Because I'm making an oval, I want to create round corners the same size, and border radius identifies how round each corner is based on its value. So let's start over here in HTML and start with a div tag. Close it. And then I'm going to hop over to CSS. And here I'm going to go ahead and call my I'm going to give it a width of 200 pixels, height of 100. Now, when you are making ellipse, you always have your width twice as big as your height. It's just a standard rule. So your horizontal width is double the size of your vertical height value. So, so you're really specifying your horizontal and vertical radii. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a background of blue. Oopsie. And I'm going to give it a margin to go ahead and move that over to the center of our screen, or move it over to a little bit. Now I'm going to show you that a border radius is written like this, a normal border radius. Top, left. Now, you will start at the top left corner, and then you will go to your top right corner, and then, which is over here, and then you will go to your bottom right radius. And of course, we would call the values over here and give it its size and weight. And then we're going to do one more just to show you. Border bottom left radius. So it would go in that order all the time. I'm going to not be using that. Otherwise, you know, we'd put our, pixels, etc., all the way around, whatever kind of adjustments we wanted to use. So the first identifies, there's several different ways you can write this. You can write it on a one line also. You can go actually, I think you'd go border radius, and then your first number would be your top left. Your second number would be your top right. Your third number is your bottom right, and your fourth number is going, or value is going to be your bottom left corner. So it's always going to be in a clockwise motion. We're going to make a radius, and so if I wanted rounded corners, I can use a single value. Because I want to make an elliptical, I have to use 2. Now, since both of the since I'm going to be creating an oval, I want both sides to be exactly the same. So I'm actually going to do the shorthand version like this. Yes. And I'm going to go and let's see. Now I'm using this / for an elliptical, but it identifies the different horizontal and vertical radiuses. So that's why I'm using that. And there you have the oval. Because both sets of opposite corners have the same values, I only have to use them once.